I think that the Arts Magnet program is a really amazing thing for this school to have. I think it's really beneficial for everyone in it that takes it seriously. And I think it can keep growing and be an even more effective tool for people to use to grow as artists and as people.
Arts Magnet is a program inside of Buffalo High School. It is a community where you get to express yourself and contribute with other artists to create things I don't believe you would ever make without the Arts Magnet program.
Arts Magnet gives you more of a drive to kind of pursue art. It gives you a good reason to try and figure out what you want to do and how you want to pursue a certain art form.
It really develops your interest in other things. It taught me to be really open about trying new things and trying new art forms.
Art forms, they're just different medias that we can use.
You can do photography,
Music,
Theater,
Baking or cooking.
architecture.
drawing, painting, writing.
The truth is, art is so broad. It's just expressing yourself in so many different ways.
Most every class in the school can be applicable to some art form or another.
Arts Magnet has helped provide for me the opportunity to integrate my art into a classroom.
My favorite that I think helped me develop the most was foundations.
it's all of the art forms that you're learning about, so then you can find out which one you really like the most.
You want the artistic inquiry project, and you want pretty much everything that you need to know.
Here is a process that allows you to move forward and take it step by step in order to establish your goals.
We first have to get an essential question to go off of.
You research things pertaining to that question and that have something to do with the art form you want to do.
Then you just do a project that you think accurately represents what you've researched.
And then eventually you will present it and then do a reflection on everything that you've learned.
It almost gives you natural parameters for building a project that you want to do.
It brings out new ideas and good questions that you can base the ideas on.
It's provided a lot of opportunity for artistic exploration and creation.
I think after learning it in foundations, it's something that you can take away and you can use it in everyday life. It doesn't have to be something you only use at school.
A artist's personality would be kind, creative, and inspirational.
We're usually very passionate about our interests.
Most anybody can be an artist if they put their mind to it.
It definitely allowed for some great connections among teachers and among students.
The teachers are phenomenal, they are so friendly, and the students, they understand all your hard work.
I've noticed that I've grown a lot as a person, just generally within the program, and it's helped me become more sociable, better spoken, and getting ideas from people around me and asking for help on things that I might not be sure about, become more confident because I'm just more comfortable with who I am, and it's all been very, very nice.
It's a lovely, cultivating environment for positive and artistic thinking, and you will find the loveliest people in our program.
There is a way that art can be used correctly in schools and can really be a good outlet within schools.